T Gurubhyo Namaga children. Today we are going to learn the continuation of exercise 1.2. Exercise 1.2, sixth one, write the multiplicative inverses. Okay. So multiplicative inverses mean the product of a number and its reciprocal is always 1. See here, let 6 is a number. I am going to find the multiplicative inverse of 6. Okay. But I want to get the result 1. And which number I multiply with the 6, I will get 1 children. 6 inverse. It means 6 into 6 inverse means 1 by 6. If I cancel this, what I am getting? 1 I am getting. So, the multiplicative inverse of 6 is 1 by 6. Okay, it means the product of a number and its reciprocal. This is reciprocal. The product of a number and its reciprocal is always 1. So, this is multiplicative inverse. This is a way to find the multiplicative inverse. Do you understand, children? See the question. Minus 32. So, the multiplicative inverse of the multiplicative inverse of minus 32 is 1 by minus 32. Do you understand, children? If you cancel this, while multiplying these two numbers, you cancel 32, 32, you will get 1. Okay, children? See the next question, 18. So, the multiplicative inverse of the multiplicative inverse of 18 is 1 by 18. Okay, children? Next question, minus 42. The multiplicative inverse of minus 42 is 1 by minus 42. See the fourth one. Three into minus 11. First you multiply the number, after that you find the multiplicative inverse. Okay. So 3 into 11. 3 11s are 33, plus into minus minus. So minus 3. Okay. So the multiplicative inverse of minus 33 is 1 by minus 33. Okay. See the next question. Minus 5 into minus 2. First you multiply 5 2s are 10. Minus into minus plus. Okay. 5 into minus 2 you get plus 10. Okay. Now find the multiplicative inverse. The multiplicative inverse of 10 is 1 by 10. Do you understand, children? Shall I move on to the next question? Find the greater of each pair. Okay. So we need to find out which number is greater. Okay. See here. Minus 6 into 2. Okay. First 6 2s are 12. Minus into plus minus. So minus 12. We are going to compare. Okay. Minus of 6 2s are 12. Okay. Here modulus of minus 12. I already told you modulus means ignore this sign. Okay. Inside the modulus, if they give negative number also, you will get the result is positive. Okay. So here modulus means ignore this sign. So here modulus of minus 12 means what is the answer? 12 is the answer. Okay. Minus 12. Now you compare these two numbers. Which is the greater? One is positive, one is negative. Okay. So I'll compare the positive and negative numbers. Positive is greater. So this is greater. Okay. So what is the original value of this 12? Modulus of minus 6 into 2 is greater. You understand, children? See the next question. Minus of modulus minus 5 into 13, comma, minus 5 into minus 13. Okay. First we simplify this. Minus of modulus minus 5 into 13, you get minus 65. Because 5 into 13 gets 65. Minus into plus minus. Okay. Put the box. Because we are going to compare. Minus 5 into 13 you get 65. Minus into minus. Minus into minus you get plus. So plus 65. Okay. Now minus of modulus of minus 65 you get 65. Now 65. In these two, which is the greater number? Minus 65 plus 65. So I'll compare the positive and negative numbers. Positive is greater. Okay. So the 65 is greater. What is the original form? Minus 5 into minus 13 is greater. Okay. You understand, children? See the next question. Minus 12 into 3. Modulus of 12 into minus 3. Okay. First 12 3s are 36. Minus into plus minus. Put your box. Modulus of 12 into 3 36. Plus into minus minus. And minus 36. Box. Modulus of minus 36 you get plus 36. Now we compare minus 36 plus 36. Which is greater? Positive is greater. So therefore, modulus of 12 into minus 3 is greater. Okay, children. See the next question. Minus 10 into 8. Modulus of minus 8 into 10. Okay. So 10 8s are 80. Minus into plus minus. Modulus of 8 10s are 80. Minus into plus minus. So minus 80. Modulus of minus 80 is plus 80. Now we compare which is greater. While comparing the positive and negative numbers, positive is greater. So 80 is greater. Okay. So what is the answer? Modulus of minus 8 into 10 is greater. See the next question. So modulus of minus 9 plus of minus 2, comma, modulus of 9 minus 2. First you simplify this. Modulus of minus 9 plus into minus 2. Modulus of 9 minus 2, 7. And now minus 9 minus 2, both the number have same sign. So add it and put the sign. So minus 11 modulus of 7. So modulus of minus 11 is plus 11. Modulus of 7 is 7. Now you compare the numbers. Both the number have same sign. Which is the greater? 11 is the greater. Okay. So what is the answer? Modulus of minus 9 plus of minus 2 is greater. Okay children, do you understand? Shall I move on to the next question? 8th one. When A equal to 15, B equal to minus 3 and C equal to minus 4. Verify the following. Okay. The first one is A into B equal to B into A. Okay. You substitute the value. The value of A is 15 into the value of B is minus 3 equal to the value of B is minus 3 into the value of A is 15. Now you multiply the number. 15 3s are 45 plus into minus equal to 3 into 15 you get 45 minus into plus minus. Now both the sides are equal. So LHS equal to RHS. LHS means left hand side. RHS means right hand side. Both the sides are equal. Okay children. Can you guess which property they used here? So the name of the property is commutative property. So here we verify commutative property. Thus, commutative property verified. Okay children, you understand? Just substitute the value. After that you are comparing both the sides. Both the sides are equal. It satisfies this condition. So commutative property verified. See the next one. A into B into C equal to A into B into C. Okay. Here you substitute the value. First A into B. What is the A value? 15 into the value of B is minus 3 into the value of C is minus 4 equal to 15 into minus 3 into minus 4. Okay. 15 into 3 you get 45 plus into minus 45 into minus 4 equal to 15 into 3 4s are 12 minus into minus plus. Now you multiply the number. 4 5s are 20, remaining 2, 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 2, 18, minus into minus plus. Now 15 into 12, multiply this. 15 into 12, 2 5s are 10, remaining 1, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 1 5s are 5, 1 into 1, 1, 0, 8, 1. So what is the answer? 180. Now see both the sides are equal. So LHS equal to RHS. Here they used 3 integers. Okay, A into B into C equal to A into B into C. So this is the name of the property is associative property. Now we verify the associative property. Thus, associative property verified. Okay children, do you understand? See here, C into A minus B equal to C into A minus C into B. Substitute the value. The value of C is minus 4 into the value of A is 15 minus of the value of B is minus 3 equal to C into A. So minus 4 into 15 minus 4 into minus 3 because the value of B is minus 3. Okay, now minus 4 into, just you simplify this, 15 minus into minus you get plus 3 equal to, okay, minus 4 into 15 you get 4 5s are 20, remaining 2, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 2 60, minus into plus minus 60, minus of 4 3s are 12, minus into minus plus only. Okay children, see minus 4 into 15 plus 3 you get 18 equal to minus 60 minus 12, both the number have same sign, so you add it, minus 72. See here, 4 into 80. Now you multiply these two numbers. 4 8s are 32, remaining 3. 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 3, 7. Okay, minus into plus minus. Minus 72 equal to minus 72. Okay, children? So, LHS equal to RHS. Can you guess the name of the property? Yes, distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Here subtraction is there. So distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Verified. Okay children, do you understand? Thank you children.